To remove the solenoid lock assembly, first remove the access panel. Disconnect the solenoid lock connector from the motherboard. Detach the two Torx 15 security screws that secure the solenoid lock assembly to the rear of the unit. Note, you will need a screw bit with a hollow tip to remove the security screws. Keep your hand on the solenoid lock as you remove the last screw and remove the solenoid lock assembly from the unit. There is a small guide on the rear of the PC that an edge of the solenoid lock rests on. To replace the solenoid lock assembly, place the assembly against the rear inside wall of the chassis, aligning the edge of the lock onto its guide. Replace the two Torx 15 security screws to secure the lock to the unit. Reconnect the solenoid lock connector to the motherboard.